Alright, so we're back inside, and the first thing we're going to make today is going to be the dehydrated apple chips. That way we can take them hiking with us, and we'll vacuum seal them in the bags too, and store them downstairs, and we'll have those anytime we want.
Yep.
Okay? But to start off for our apple chips, we're going to add lemon juice. We're just going to use this whole thing here. And 2 cups of water, and we're going to put it in this bowl, and we're going to start peeling them. And this just prevents them from discoloring and keeps them looking like fresh apples that got cut. Go ahead and dump that in the bowl. Whole thing. Alright. I'll take this. And go ahead and you could dump that 2 cups of water in there. Yeah. Dump it right in. Pour the whole thing in. Alright. Alright, ready to start peeling?
Yep.
Alright, some nice organic
Apples?
Yep. We don't spray them with anything, they're all natural. Go ahead and grab one and we'll start off here.
Let's do that for this one.
Do that one?
Yep.
Alright.
Do you want it right here?
So what we do, this is how we start off. Yep, go ahead and you're going to place the center. Yep. You're going to push it on there. Just like that. Alright? Now you're going to hold this, or I'll hold this, and you can go ahead and start winding it. And just go slow once you start getting up there, okay? You can go a little faster. Go ahead. And contact. Yep. All the way. Keep going. All the way. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right. So now, yep, pull that whole thing off. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Go ahead, you can have that. You can eat that if you want. There we go.
Oh my gosh. It's so cool how it made it like that.
Yeah.
It's like an apple with no skin.
All right. So you see how that comes out? And then we can just cut this in half.
How do we get this out?
And then these will be our apple slices for the dehydrator. So we're going to be doing a bunch here. So we're going to go ahead and start putting these in here.
Oh.
Look at that. How cool is that?
That's apple.
Yep. Go ahead and pull the core off. Grab this whole thing. Pull it right off. Pull. Oop. There you go. All right. And none of this is going to go to waste. We're going to feed this to our animals.
Yep.
Our goats and everything are going to be eating these. All right. Go ahead. No, remember?
Yep.
Press this. This goes all the way back. And just be careful. Get that center down there. Yep. A little tricky. There we go. Alright, go ahead. No, you're pushing on that. You can't push on that. Here, go ahead. All the way. apple string.
Tastes like apple.
Oh yeah.
Don't that.
Keep going. All right. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All the way through. There we go. Now here.
Oh my gosh, Joel.
Go ahead and pull that back through. Yeah, go ahead. You can take that off. All right. Pull that center out. Good job.
There.
All right, so we're going to get hustling with all these, and we'll check back in with you in a little bit. All right, so we're going to set our temperature on our dehydrator here. We're going to set it to, oh, that's the hours. And this is only going to take 6 hours. At a temperature of 140. Oh. So 6 hours at 140.
Oh, yeah.
It
It like
broke off in there? That happens. That's alright. That'll be a good goat apple. Alright, so while my little guy's doing that, let's go ahead and start getting our apple slices on here.
you shut the lamp down.
Alright, we'll try and fill them up as much as possible. And there is... There's one. Alright, we're going to keep going and then we'll be right back. Alright, so we're all filled up here. We're going to check back in 5.5 hours. And you see we barely made a dent. And still have a bunch over here. So we're going to actually use the stove and we're going to get a bunch more going. Alright, so 6 hours later and our apple chips are done. Yeah, you can see they shrunk down to hardly anything. So a lot of the water's out of here now, so these are super concentrated, all the sugars that were in there. So these are going to be really sweet and tart, and they taste really good. These are going to be perfect for hiking and all types of other stuff. Just simple snacks for the kids and all natural. And we'll go ahead and start vacuum sealing bags of them. These are really good. Sweet. All right, buddy, you ready to try one?
Yeah.
They're going to be really sweet. Go ahead and grab one off of there. Go ahead and try it.
Wow.
That good?
Yeah.
Like a Sour Patch Kid apple.
Wow.
Sour apple. All right. So we're going to make a bunch of these that we can take hiking with us and everything.
Yep.
And for simple snacks and everything. So you like them?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so I figure I'll do 1 sheet per bag. Here, try one of the apple chips.
They're good.
Isn't that good? They're like super concentrated. So all the sugars are in there. The water evaporated and it's left with the pure sugar. Natural sugar.
You should make those into candy.
Oh, it is like a candy.
Oh yeah.
So we can actually see how many ounces this is. And let's see how much we got here. So about 0.7 ounces. Lightweight, waterproof, perfect for camping.
What's that?
Go ahead and try one of the apple slices.
I think this is so sweet.
Isn't that good? All right, these are from our apples. So we'll be able to take these when we
Can
go.
I have another one?
Yeah. All right, so this one's gonna be short a little bit. So we are all set here. A lot of hard work collecting those apples and doing all that, right?
Yeah.
Well worth it though, right?
Yeah.
Delicious, nice, healthy, sweet treat.
Yeah.
Yep. And you can see we got a bunch packaged over here, ready to go. And we still have more apples down there, so we got a lot more to do, right, Mage?
Yep.
So we're gonna keep at it, but we're also making apple pie filling. We're making apple cider vinegar. Making all of our apple stuff. Check out all of our other videos on apple everything, because we've made apple everything.
Apple juice.
Yeah. And also with the scraps that are left over, we feed them to our animals, and we also make the apple cider vinegar with it, so that's something to think about. And we also used to make the apple core juice. So you use what you have there and nothing goes to waste. If we don't use it, the animals will eat it. So,
Yeah.
But we're all set here. So once again, we hope you like,
Enjoy.
subscribe, and as usual,
We'll see
see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.